Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reverse a Hyundai Accent. First, always check your surroundings thoroughly for any obstacles or people. Adjust your side and rear view mirrors to get the best possible view behind and to the sides of your vehicle. Before you do anything else, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This ensures safety and control as you prepare to shift gears. Once you've checked your surroundings, keep your foot on the brake and move the gear selector into the R position for reverse. Now, turn your head to look over your shoulder, actively using your mirrors to confirm that your path is clear. Gently and slowly release the brake pedal. Your Accent will begin to move backwards smoothly, allowing you to maintain precise control. When reversing, remember that the rear of your car will move in the direction you turn the steering wheel. Make small, precise adjustments to the wheel. Oversteering can lead to sudden movements. Continuously use your brake pedal to control your speed, keeping it very slow. This allows you plenty of time to react to any changes in your environment and maintain a straight path or turn smoothly. When you've reached your desired spot, bring the car to a complete stop before shifting out of reverse into park or drive. Always engage your parking brake once you've parked securely, especially on inclines, to prevent any accidental movement. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.